Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we have set up our communication path with MicroLogix. On the HMI control component, I'm gonna grab a normal digital panel over here. It's like a digital display. So what we're gonna do on the property, which is already opened here, we can change the name of this display. So it can be MicroLogix 1100 integer. Okay, so what we're going to do, MicroLogix 1100 underscore integer, hit enter. Spaces are not allowed in here. And in the text, right now it's showing here digital panel meter 1. So in text, we can put here MicroLogix 1100 underscore integer. There you go. The name has been updated. And in the communication path of this display that we pulled is the same here, MicroLogix 1100, and it's here. So now on the value of PLC, we need to pull this integer value n7 colon 0. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put here integer value n7 colon 0 and hit enter. And that's all you need to do to make sure the data will pull in this display. So let's start this project. And there you go. We have successfully communication with our MicroLogix. I'm gonna put this one on one side, and another side you can see my application running. So if I put here 2000, 200 or 2000, it will update right away. 505, update right away. So that means the communication with my MicroLogix PLC is successfully pulled the integer from it. So let's cancel this project now, minimize this. Let's try to put one basic button in here. And the name of this basic button, we will give the text will be input 1, hit enter. So input 1 is here. And if we go more down, instead of this black color, we will select normal dark gray. And over here is minimum hold time. So when you click on it, minimum it will hold for 500 millisecond, and maximum means you keep holding it with your mouse, it will hold up to 3 seconds or 3000 millisecond. And click address. So over here, if you see click address is b3 colon 0 slash 0, right? This is the address. So we need to give the click address same b3 colon 0 slash 0. You hit enter. So now when I'm going to run this project, and there you go, it's running. Now if I check my input, let me just arrange the window according to this. If I click on it, you can see the input is coming here. But I want this to turn green to make sure that I clicked on it. So what are we gonna do? Cancel this. And over here says PLC address highlight. So you can put the same address over here, first thing first, or for the confirmation side, you can check other one, but let's try this first. So right now, as you can see, it's black. It's turning green when I'm clicking it, but we will fix that. So right now, when the project is running and it's turning green, which is good, it's just showing black over here that we need to fix. Okay, so when we go up, the appearance and the font, what we can do, this black color, we can put it dark gray, and let's try that again. We start our project, and there you go. Now it's gray, and when we're pressing it, it's turning green. This dark gray, we can put it back to black, and I think it will not change anything on it. Perfect. So it looks good. So now we have successfully created one display and successfully created our one button. And next video we will do more on this.